Hey, what's going on, you guys? Kyle back here with another Fortnite video. And today, I'm going to be doing a squad with my friend Max and Dressing the King. I have a terrible landing, guys.
Oh my god, dude, it was like 30 kids landing here. Actually, no, not even, like, maybe. Kyle, you wanna go blue house? I don't think anyone's going there.
I'm going to the
Maybe
house
red
next to
house?
Blue House. Oh, wait.
Oh, wait, no, the blue house, right here. Kyle, come here.
Default at my house? Are you memeing me, bro?
There's a chest right here. You can have the first gun, since I'm a nice guy.
Thanks, man.
Alright, I'll take this pump. Let me take it. Yo, there's a green tack on me.
Good.
I'm gonna carry it because I hear people near us. Here, Kyle, come to the second
Hold
floor.
on. I'm keeping an eye out.
I hope our teammate doesn't die early.
Same.
He seems to have a solid drop, so I'm not worried. What the hell is my mom singing in green?
I need help.
Alright. Henge champion. Alright, lit. Nice. Kyle, if I die in defense of you, I'm gonna cry. I got him, man. Good job. Wait, do you need my attack?
Wow.
Here. You can have it. Come on.
I want the AR. What are you talking about?
Fine, kid. Let me take.
I mean, it was my kills.
Alright, there you go. Fair. Alright, okay, whatever it says. Okay, I'm gonna need these bandies. Holy shit, you went far. Kyle, please be sure you know what you're doing because I'm not gonna be able to get to you.
Oh, there's someone right here.
He's right there, dude. On the top. Oh my god, I melted him, dude.
Okay.
I hit him to like 48, and then,
He just launch padded.
I think, that guy knocked himself. Alright. I think it's the last guy. Please, Kyle, be careful.
I need mad help.
Alright, I'm coming right to you, dude. I'm very low.
He's white.
Come on. Oh my god, dude. Here, I have bandies.
I got bandage.
Alright.
Bro, go. Oh, I'll get him, I guess.
Holy shit, dude. I hit him for like 18 headshot, and I was like so scared.
Bro, I thought you said like 30 people came here. Only 2 people came here.
I don't know. It looked like a lot on. I guess they all killed each other or something.
After this game, I gotta take a crap.
Alright. Let all the viewers know that.
They can hear
Also, fuck,
all
we
of
need to
us.
help that kid.
Let me heal right in front of him, and then I'll get him.
I'll make sure you heal, alright? Did someone just shoot, or did I just hear something?
No, you're just hearing something.
Right?
Bro, everyone has low. Don't take it, Max. You're the one with the most health.
I mean, come on, dude. I found it. I mean, it's gonna be even either way.
Bro, this guy has.
Bandages,
Oh my god, Max.
I have a purple from Moss, too. Just get some mats. Pleasant will give you a lot of mats, trust me.
Okay, match doesn't help me survive 54 health.
Kyle, should I take this double barrel?
I don't know. I'm not playing for you.
Kyle, I need you to help me, dude. Oh, there's minis right here.
Cool.
You happy?
Yeah, I mean, I don't have 55.
I'm gonna keep the tack
54
just
health.
because the tack shoots hella fast. Alright, yeah, Pleasant's like very generous on mats. You could get like 999 wood easily. Break all the fences and shit. And the cars.
I know how to mine.
Alright, kid. Mine. Mining.
Where? Oh my god.
Mining.
Where are those minis? Where are the minis?
In the blue house. second floor, I think, where the other chest spot is. Hopefully that's a pretty distinguished description.
Yeah, this is why I wanted the freaking big shield, because I'm getting shot at.
Here, Kyle,
Just what? Just
who's
build?
shooting at you?
Just
Where's
build?
that shooting at you from?
South.
Oh shit, I see. Kyle, let's go in the basement, dude.
Bro, I'm ditching this.
Here, let's go in the basement. Build a pyramid, build a pyramid.
Why would I build a pyramid?
It is what it is, it is what it is.
Bandits are right here and you didn't even tell me, bro? I'm gonna build a plat.
Blue dude. Put a shot. Oh my god, I melted him. No, come on, dude. They're both so low. Kyle!
Both so low?
Well, I tackled him from 64 headshot. Kill him. The default's low, dude. Holy fuck, it was 3. Bro, that tack is OP. Finish, dude, finish. If you somehow clutch this, Kyle. They're revving, dude, they're revving. Bro! Those kids were trash, dude. Who killed that other guy? Our teammate was fucking useless.
Yeah, we're not playing with them anymore.
I don't even know why the fuck you're friends with him. He doesn't even have a mic.
Right? The one day I met him, he had a mic.
He's unfriended. He's pointless as a friend. Unless you really don't care. Yo, I think there's a launch pad on top of that van. Scope in real quick.
Yeah, there is.
Yeah, my graphics are bad, so usually I can't tell right away, but... Yo, I think there's kids in loot.
I know. I'm gonna take a rift.
Yeah. Unless it's like... If it's 3 or more, don't do it. Alright, you're good.
Where's circle?
Nice.
Oh, circle's over here.
Look up. Yo, go lazy. Center of the circle. Go lazy.
Okay, chill. Someone's right there.
Trust me, Kyle. Go lazy.
I know, chill. I'm just scouting. Jesus Christ.
Let him fight, dude. I'm not sure if there's people in lazy. I don't think so, yeah. Can't believe they finished.
And when I'm in a fight, oh, I'm definitely going in this 4-4. When I'm in a fight of full squad or something, don't like start screaming, cause then I mess up all the time. Bro, I want a bush camp. Except I can't. I can't. How? I'm carrying you and you're disappointing me?
Come on, bush camp. Alright, fine. I used to do it, but very long ago. I haven't bush camped in like 5 months.
I bush camped like once on Xbox. Like 3 months ago, 4 months ago.
I mean, then again, you did bush camp and you did get the win, so... Wait, Kyle, tell the viewers what you're gonna get if you get me my 300th dub.
Oh, so...
Kyle, come on, Kyle.
My friend Max, yeah.
Kyle, get back in that shed. I know a hack. Actually, no, don't do it. Unless you have metal. Break the roof, yeah, break that. Okay, now, place a stair.
I know.
Yeah, and then stand in the
Oh,
middle.
big shield.
Stand in the middle, edit a hole, and break the stairs so no one could come in. Jump. Come on, jump. There you go. Alright. Edit a hole. Oh my god. Make sure you get it very low and then just...
What?
Oh god. Kyle, please, dude. Break that little, corner thing. Jump. Just jump up. Don't break anything. get back. Alright, don't do anything, don't do anything. How? Don't do anything.
I hear you.
Watch it be more people. Be careful, they could run it over. Oh yeah.
Oh God.
Camp in a bush. Camp under the top. Behind you. Trap him.
What? Trap him with what trap?
I don't know, I thought you were there.
Max, I said don't scream and talk. Jesus Christ.
It was fucking...
See why? Yeah, well, I also carried the crap out of you. You're welcome. I'm done, dude. This guy's trash. I can't freaking win when someone's trash.
Kick this kid, or just leave.
He's not even in our game, Max.
It says he's the party leader.
Yeah, it does. Yeah, it does. Yeah.
Wait, maybe I can invite my friend Mr. Alt. He's gonna carry us. He's really good. Maybe he'll join. He's really good, dude. He has like 300
Oh, okay. I heard you the first 40 times. Oh my God.
Maybe he won't join. It's fine. Alright, just ready up.
Hold on. That's gonna be the end of the video for today, guys. So peace out.